Hello everyone, welcome to Windoor Facade Expo 2020. Since 1995, Windoor Facade Expo is China's first exhibition focusing on the new products of windows, doors and facades. And today we are glad to invite Jeffrey from Zhiyi to introduce us some new products. Hi Jeffrey.
Hi everyone, my name is Jeffrey Shen. I'm from Shanghai Zhiyi Automation, client manager.
So what is your latest product this year? Can you show us more details?
Yeah, definitely. We've been making window profile machines for the last 20 years. We're making manual ones, we're making half automatic ones, and today we bring you the full automation line. Look at the bigger screen. What's so good about our full production line is that it saves roughly about 60-70% of labor.
Okay.
And the labor intensity is much lower.
Yes.
And all information, data, and all types of profile are stored, controlled, centralized by our computer system.
Yes.
So it's much better for manager, for factories, factory owners to manage, to making plans,
Yes.
And make production accordingly.
Okay,
Yeah.
so has this product got this year's Windoor Facade Innovation Award?
Yeah, well, surprisingly, we had two awards.
Two
We got the regular New Innovation Reward, and we also got the best, I guess is the best of the best.
Yes, best of
Yeah,
the best. Yes.
yeah.
Top 10.
Yeah,
right?
so it was a surprise, but we got it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
So, what is the best application for this new machine?
Well, we spent roughly about 8 years,
8 years.
in terms of research and development.
Okay.
And now in Shandong Huajian, we have two lines of this
Okay.
machine, which has been operating there for roughly about 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah, it saved them like 70% labor, and so far there's no problems.
Okay.
It's been 3 years already.
Okay.
And in Guangdong, Fenglu, we have another two lines.
Okay, so there are many big customers using your machine.
Yes, yes, because they going to, they going after big volume,
Yes.
and for them, manual labor.
The labor cost is very high.
Exactly.
Okay, so thank you, Jeffrey,
Thank
for
you.
sharing the details of these products for us, and hope we can see more new products from Zhiyi in the next year.
Definitely.
Okay, so at last, let's read out our slogan to our friends.
Yep. Find new products at Windoor Expo. See you again in March 2021.